Imagine this, you're parked beside a quiet lake, early morning light hits your RV, and instead of plain white walls, the sunlight reflects off a deep, glossy full-body paint finish that looks more like a luxury coach than a fifth wheel. Neighbors walk by, and they stop, they stare, because this isn't just any RV. This is the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 3600 with full-body paint, and today, we're taking a full tour of one of the most eye-catching luxury fifth wheels on the market. You've ever wanted residential comfort, bold design, and true premium build quality all in one package? Stay with me because this one is different. Exterior. First impressions matter. Let's start outside. The first thing that grabs your attention is that full-body paint, not decals, not stickers, real automotive-grade paint. It gives the Model Z 3600 a smooth, high-end look that feels closer to a Class A diesel pusher than a traditional fifth wheel. The color depth, the shine, the clean lines. It just looks expensive. Up front, you'll notice the bold front cap design. It's aggressive but clean. The LED lighting is modern and sharp, giving it that upscale presence, especially at night. Moving down the side, you get large frameless windows. They look sleek, and they also bring in tons of natural light inside. Storage, massive. The pass-through storage area is clean, well-finished, and heated. You've got motion lighting inside. And the slam-latch baggage doors feel solid, not flimsy. Underneath, Brinkley uses a strong frame setup, upgraded suspension, and heavy-duty axles. This isn't built light, it's built strong, and yes, dual power awnings with LED light strips. So when you're relaxing outside in the evening, the whole side glows with a soft, luxury feel. Entry and living area. Residential feel. No, let's step inside, and this is where you realize this doesn't feel like an RV. It feels like a modern apartment right as you walk in. You're greeted with clean finishes, soft lighting, and high ceilings. The wide body design makes everything feel open. The living area features opposing slide-outs, creating a true open concept space. On one side, you've got a large theater seating setup, heated massage function, direct view of the TV. Across from that is a huge entertainment center with a large smart TV and an electric fireplace below it. That fireplace isn't just for looks. It adds warmth on chilly mornings. The cabinetry throughout feels solid. Real wood doors, soft closed drawers, no cheap rattling. The furniture stitching looks high-end. Even the window shades feel smooth and premium. You can tell Brinkley paid attention to detail. Now let's talk kitchen, because this is where many fifth wheels cut corners. Not here. The 2026 Model Z 3600 comes with a large residential refrigerator, full-size, plenty of space for extended trips. The island in the center is massive, with a deep stainless steel sink and a high-end pull-down faucet counter space. You get a lot of it. Solid surface countertops, clean edges, modern backsplash design. The stove is a 3-burner setup with a residential-style oven. Above that, a sleek microwave. And storage everywhere. Deep drawers, pantry space overhead, cabinets. You could honestly live in this kitchen full-time without feeling cramped. And right next to it, you have a freestanding dining table with comfortable chairs, perfect for meals, laptop work, or game night. Moving toward the midsection, we enter the bathroom. And this is where the 3600 layout shines. You get a large shower with glass doors and a built-in seat. The height inside the shower feels comfortable, even for taller people. The vanity is wide with good counter space and storage underneath. A porcelain foot flush toilet adds to that residential feel. Lighting is soft but bright enough where you need it. It doesn't feel tight or cramped like many RV bathrooms. It feels usable. Moving toward the midsection, we enter the bathroom. And this is where the 3600 layout shines. You get a large shower with glass doors and a built-in seat. The height inside the shower feels comfortable, even for taller people. The vanity is wide with good counter space and storage underneath. A porcelain foot flush toilet adds to that residential feel. Lighting is soft but bright enough where you need it. It doesn't feel tight or cramped like many RV bathrooms. It feels usable. Let's talk about what you don't always see. Brinkley has focused heavily on build quality in the Model Z lineup. Upgraded insulation for better temperature control, high-quality seals and slide mechanisms, a strong roof structure designed for long-term durability. You also get modern tech features, touchscreen control panels, upgraded inverter options, solar prep, and advanced climate control systems. This isn't just pretty, it's smart. What makes the 2026 Model Z 3600 unique? So, what makes this one stand out in a crowded market? First, that full body paint option. It transforms the look completely. Second, the residential design flow. Everything feels intentional. Third, the balance between luxury and practicality. Some RVs focus only on looks, others focus only on storage. The 3600 blends both. Compared to many competitors in this size category, it feels more refined, more premium, more polished. It doesn't scream for attention. It quietly demands respect. Now I'm curious, if you had to choose, what's your favorite part of the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 3600? Is it the bold exterior with that full body paint, the open living room, or the king bedroom setup? Drop your favorite feature in the comments below. I'd love to know. At the end of the day, the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 3600 isn't just about specs. It's about how it makes you feel. It's about pulling into a campground and feeling proud of what you're towing. It's about waking up in comfort, cooking in a real kitchen, relaxing by the fireplace at night. It's about freedom without sacrificing luxury. If you're searching for a high-end fifth wheel that feels residential, modern, and built to last, this one absolutely deserves a close look. If you enjoyed this full tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth luxury RV and motorhome reviews. And until next time.